Hello everyone, my name is Phoebe. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to help you learn Chinese in a simple and fun way. Today is my first episode, so I would love to start from the very important concept in Mandarin Chinese, which is tones. So, if you're a total beginner, this video is right for you. Stay tuned. First, let's check this out. How do you think we say this in Chinese? Go ahead and try. Just use your instinct. This is how I say it. 你好，你好，你好。That's how we say it when we greet each other. As you can see, on top of it is the pinyin, the Chinese phonetic system, and in the bottom are the Chinese characters. Some of you guys might have already seen them. And in pinyin, you probably also noticed the check mark on top of 好. Those are tone markers. And today we're going to start with them. There are 4 tones and 1 neutral tone in Mandarin Chinese. And we're going to start from the first one. Let's check this out. Repeat after me. Ma, ma, ma. The first tone is high and flat. So when you say it, just keep your voice flat. I'm going to skip the second tone and move on to the third tone, but don't worry, I'll come back to the second tone later. Let's check this out. Repeat after me. So we say ma, ma, ma. As you can see, the tone marker goes down and go up a little bit. However, in daily speech, we don't usually make that full movements. Usually, we just say ma. So the tone, the pitch goes down and stays low. Let's try again. Ma, ma, ma. Now on the screen, you can see the second tone. How do you think it is pronounced in Chinese? Go ahead and give it a try. I hope you get it right. It is ma, ma, ma. The second tone is like in English, we say, huh? What? Really? Huh. So the pitch goes up. Let's try it again. Ma, ma. Good job. Next is the fourth tone. It's ma, ma, ma. Ma means to scold. So can you feel the energy? It's usually strong and powerful. Actually, some of the swear words in Chinese use the fourth tone. The last one is the neutral tone. It's light and short. Repeat after me. Ma, ma, ma. Now let's do a quick review. Listen and repeat. Ma, 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 ma. Good job. So, based on what we learned today, let's do a simple listening exercise. So I'll say a word and you guess the tone. Are you ready? The first one is 我 我 我. Did you guess it right? This is the third tone. 我, which means I. Alright, the second one is 你 你 你. If your answer is the third tone, then you are accurate. It's 你, which means you. Next one, 茶 茶 茶. Good job. The answer is second tone. 茶, which means the tea. Let's try one more. Ma, ma, ma. Nice job. It's the neutral tone. Ma. which is a yes/no question marker. Now, let's move on to something more challenging. So I'll give you 2 syllable words and you guess the tones. Here's our first one. 喜欢喜欢喜欢 Did you get it right? It's 喜欢喜欢 means to like. Let's move on to the second one. 咖啡咖啡咖啡 Did you figure it out? It's 咖啡 Right, it's first tone and the first tone. 咖啡 means coffee. Last one. 啤酒啤酒啤酒 Did you nail it? It's 啤酒啤酒 Yes, it's the second one and the third tone. 啤酒 means beer. Now I'm going to use the words we just learned and make some simple sentences. Let's see if you can understand them. First one. 我喜欢茶我喜欢茶我喜欢茶 Did you guess it right? 我 means I. 喜欢 means like. 茶 means tea. So 我喜欢茶 means I like tea. Let's move on to the second one. 你喜欢咖啡你喜欢咖啡你喜欢咖啡 Did you figure it out? 你 is you. 喜欢 is like. 咖啡 is coffee. So 你喜欢咖啡 means you like coffee. Alright, the third one. 你喜欢啤酒吗？你喜欢啤酒吗？你喜欢啤酒吗？ I hope you get the last one right. 你 is you. 喜欢 is like. 啤酒 is beer. 吗 is a yes/no question mark. So, 你喜欢啤酒吗 means do you like beer? Thank you for staying with me till the end. I hope this video helped you understand Mandarin a little bit more. Tones can be challenging and frustrating, but keep practicing it step by step. And remember, language is about connection, not perfection. If you like my teaching style, I'm currently offering one-on-one classes. Feel free to check the information in the description box below and contact me by email. Hope to see you soon. 再见!